Hello, friends. In the tradition of our family's kitchen and all of us cooking together, we are launching a series of videos that are simply called Cooking with Kids. In our family, we are very fortunate to have children and now grandchildren who share our love of cooking. Today's video is a small sample of what we are doing. So let's go to the kitchen. It's time for everyone to make their own personal pizza. All I can say is never, ever, ever pass up an opportunity to cook with the kids. You will be creating memories for a lifetime. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. And until next time, na zdrowie.
That is the best pizza ever.